The NBS-1290 Ultra supports custom macros. This video will demonstrate how to set up and use them. The custom macro feature provides 12 programmable buttons to help you quickly execute frequently used commands. Next, we will demonstrate how to create a macro file. When creating a custom macro file, please ensure that the file name does not contain spaces and does not exceed 12 characters. Note, only .txt format files are supported. Code must be written in a one statement per line format. Drag the file into the card reader. Setting up a custom macro, using the created macro file as an example. Insert the card reader. The file must be downloaded to local storage before use. File saved locally. Enter hashtag F equals plus file name plus .txt in the quick command field. Then click to run the macro file. Quick return to origin demonstration. Click to run G0x0Y0, returning to the work origin. Next, we'll demonstrate moving the Z-axis to the target position. Click to run G1Z10F500. The Z-axis will move to 10 mm above the work 0 point at a feed rate of 500. Next, we'll demonstrate how to reset the work 0 with one click. To change the 0 point, first move to the new position. Then click to run G92X0Y0 to set the current point as the work 0. These are only examples. You can also configure different G-code commands as needed. For example, to switch to inch units, you can set G20. Other macro commands can be set up in the same way.